Welcome back to another video, everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to disable Instagram video autoplay. So let's start right away with the video. When we open our Instagram application on iPhone or Android, you can see that videos automatically start playing in my home feed. This can be a big hit for your mobile data if you use Instagram with cellular regularly. In order to disable this autoplay feature, we want to go to our profile by tapping on our profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. The next step is to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and this menu will pop up with a bunch of settings. You want to open the Settings and Privacy section, and once we get to this Instagram settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find an option called Data Usage and Media Quality. When you open this, you're gonna see two different options. Use less mobile data and upload at highest quality. What we want to do if we want to disable the autoplay feature is to enable this first option, which is use less mobile data. If you have an older version of Instagram, the feature will be called Data Saver or something like that, so enable it. And what this will do is it will limit the amount of data that Instagram can use while you are scrolling. And that way the app will stop videos from autoplaying because it has a limited amount of data to work with. They didn't give us a dedicated option to disable the autoplay completely, so videos will maybe still autoplay while you are on your Wi-Fi. But this is the only way that we can disable the autoplay for now. So enable this first feature and you should be good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.